welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So as you can see by the title that today I'm going to show you this Eid makeup right here. And oh, of course, Green Eid Mubarak to all of you guys. Eat less guru mangsha because we should be healthy, right? And otherwise enjoy your Eid with full swing. So I think now without further ado, I'll just directly jump onto my video and show you how I have recreated this look. If you want to know that, then please keep on watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and as well the bell button and subscribe button. So I think without further ado, let's jump on the video. So as you guys can see that I have done my brow off camera, and if you want to see that, I'll put a link down below just for you guys. Next, I'm going to be scotch taping my eye, and as you can see, I have hooded eyes. So if I have hooded eyes, you can try that. This will work better, I promise. And next, I'm going to be taking this Flormer eye base. This is actually my go-to, and I love this because it's really pigmented. I'll just show you guys. And I have to actually place this on the lid area, especially lid area. Otherwise, you can just like apply this all over your eyelid. And then I have to make sure that I blend everything really properly. Otherwise, if you don't blend properly, your eyeshadow is not gonna come out like, you know, perfect or photo perfect. That's what I mean. And as you guys can see, this is really pigmented, so I'm actually putting a lot of time over the blending process, and I'm really loving the coverage. They have a lot of dark circles and stuff like that. Next, I'm going to be taking this Flormer compact powder. I'm going to set my concealer with the help of this compact powder. This step is totally optional, but I'm just like dusting the powder all out so that I get a matte finish, which I really want and love. Next, I'm going to be taking this burnt orange color from the Modern Renaissance palette from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be just applying the color on my crease area. This is actually my transition color. I love to apply orangey based transition color because I love to make my eye looks more warm than Eid makeup, so I am trying to keep it a little bit more gorgeous. I'm going to play with a lot of glitter, so yeah, I'm applying this as my transition color. Next, I'm going to be taking this color, this purpley sort of color from the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to be placing this right underneath the transition color, and I'm again blending this all out really properly. This will make sure that it actually give a little bit more warmth to my eyelid. And I am actually taking color little by little, and I'm gonna just like blend this all out with a back and forth motion or circular motion, whatever you prefer. Next, I'm gonna be taking this hot pink color from another Makeup Revolution palette, and I'll be now focusing more onto the outer section because I want and need a little bit more warmth. So I am actually focusing on there. I'm just like blending all out with the help of the same brush. And after that, I'm going to be doing something really crazy. I know you guys will be like, what? But yeah, this is actually a very good process. And I'm going to be taking my mascara from W7, as you guys can see. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of color on this brush, and I'm going to be applying this on the lid area because I'm going to apply lot of glitters and colors, so I need some, you know, warmth and blackish kind of things on my eyelid. So I'm gonna be just like applying this on my lid area. You can take any eyeshadow or you can take gel eyeliner, but I think mascara thingy work better for me because, you know, this W7 mascara is so gelish and good. Next, I'm going to be taking this black color. You can take any black eyeshadow from any palette, but I'm just like taking from Makeup Revolution palette, and I'll be just like focusing on the harsh edges area so that it actually give my eye look a little bit more, you know, smoky kind of glam. So yeah, I'm gonna be just like blending this all out with the help of this brush which come along with the ABH palette, and I'm just like blending this all out really properly. And taking another brush, I'm going to be just like blending everything all out, all the harsh edges out. Next, I'm going to be taking one kajal. I'm going to tight line my upper lash line so that it actually give me a very jet black kind of look. The eye color is going to come really good. I'll show you guys. So I'm just like tight lining my upper lash line and as well my left eye. Next, come up to the interesting part, and that is the glitter. For the glitter, I'm going to be taking this Ioni glitter. I think it retailed for 150 taka. Yep. And I'll be just like applying this on my lid area. I have a lot of fallout after that. That is why I'm going to do my face makeup later. And I'll just swipe off everything out a little bit later. But you can take a little bit of eyeshadow or glue or like, you know, glue, then you can apply the glitter. And as you can see, that's how my makeup looks like. And I'm going to be swiping off my face with the help of a wet tissue paper, and then I'm going to be taking my primer and I'm going to be applying this on my T-zone especially, and as well all over my face. And I have to just like, you know, massage my face really properly because I have big pores. And for my foundation, I'm going to be taking this 925 Black Me CC cream and as well my Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm going to be mixing these and I'll be applying this. Just see how good coverage it actually give me. Just love this, and I will be just blending these all out with the help of this beauty sponge. Blending is actually key, and as you can see my skin actually feels like on skin. And next I'm going to be taking this Revlon concealer. I don't know, I actually off lately liking this very much, and actually it is playing better on my skin, maybe for the warm weather, I don't know, because I conclude this on the product that I hate. So I'm going to be actually focusing on the very, you know, upper section of my face, and I have blended everything all out off camera. Next, come up to my makeup again. I'm going to be taking this color, this you know, pinkish kind of purplish color, and I'm going to be just applying this on the lower lash line. I'm going to smoking my eye a little bit more. As you guys can see, I am just blending everything all out with the help of this brush. That's how my eye look like. Next I'm going to be taking a brownish kind of color from any palette, so I'm actually not showing you guys, and I'll again gonna smoke my lash line a little bit more. Just smoke it out, girl. And next I'm going to be taking my mascara. For the mascara I'm going to be taking the same mascara from W7, and the wand is like crazy, guys, and I'll be just like taking 1 or 2 coat because I'm going to apply falsies anywhere, but I love thick lashes, so I am as well applying this on my lower lash. A lot of people skip that. Don't skip that, just apply properly, right? Yeah, so I'm going to be doing this on my left eye as well. Next I'm going to be taking this LA Pro concealer. It's basically a concealer, and I'm going to be taking the shade Espresso, and I'll be applying this as my contour, and I'm really loving this off lately, trust me guys. So yeah, I'm going to be applying this on the regular area, and as well hide those double chin, as well my forehead, though I don't have a very big forehead, and as well on my cupid's bow. And I'll be blending everything off camera, as you can see. And next I'm going to be taking the Technique bronzer, and I'll be just applying this over the concealer, over the contour. I am actually loving this process of lately because I have like dry skin, so if you have dry skin you can go for that. You can apply a concealer, and over the concealer you can apply the powder contour. Is actually working for me the best. Next I'm going to be taking the Focallure blush, which is in this shade, I think, what was the shade? BO5 or Fetching. And just see guys how pretty the color is, isn't it? I just love this. Next I'm going to be taking this Broken highlighter from Kiss Beauty, as you can see, and this is actually going to give me a very natural kind of shade, because actually my eye makeup is already very gorgeous, so I don't actually want a very pop of color highlighter going on, so I'm taking this natural things. And as well I have done my lash off camera. Next I'm going to be taking this W7 Mega Matte lipstick, and see how natural this color is, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lips, and I'm going to top it off with another color from Focallure, and off lately this is my favorite brand. I'm going to show you everything just in a while. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this Focallure lipstick. This is in the shade 02, and in the shade name is Burgundy. I'm not too sure. I'll put everything down below, and I'll be just applying this all over my lips, and after that I'm going to be setting my face with the help of some setting spray, and with that I'll be completing my look. And here's the complete look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you do so, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and happy Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid Mubarak. Okay guys, bye, and have a wonderful Eid. Bye bye. See you next.